హాయ్ యూవర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు బీఆర్కే ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్. నేను మీ ఉమా. ఈరోజు పాడేరు 12 ఒక పైలురాయి అనే సినిమా హీరోయిన్ కృతి వర్మ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్.
Hi.
లుకింగ్ వెరీ గార్జియస్.
Oh, thank you. Even you're looking very beautiful.
నో, ఇట్స్ లైక్
Are Why? Indian beauties are all good. So I love Indian beauties.
నో, ఐఎమ్ ఏ చబ్బీ గర్ల్.
Who said that chubbies are not good? Chubbies are very beautiful. Us boys.
సో యు ఆర్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ ఏ శ్రీలీల, సమంత. సో బట్ వై ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద ఐటమ్ సాంగ్?
No, I'm doing movies also. I'm the lead heroine of O Andala Rakshasi. And even Srilila and Samantha also does item songs.
Recently I heard one boyfriend is there in cricket.
Arey yaar,
Actually you are looking like a Tamanna, I feel.
Tamanna Bhatia, oh my god.
You are coming from Pakistan?
No.
Are you heroine or villain? Please.
यही तो मसाला है. One should go and watch it.
ఒక చిన్న హింట్ కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ఈవెన్ ప్లీజ్ సింగ్ ఏ సాంగ్ ఫర్ us.
I can sing Hanuman Chalisa.
హనుమాన్ చాలే సార్.
Ogalu A B C D E F G H I J K L M.
In this movie,
Yeah, आपने
पाडेरू.
मेरे से लास्ट इंटरव्यू में भी यही करा था. मुझे याद है. I can
Why
sing.
are you
I will
laughing?
sing my own song. నాటి కోడిని నేను తంచికి తింటారు నన్ను. बस ये इंटरव्यू का टाइम समाप्त हो गया है. इसकी घोषणा यही कर दी जाती है. बहुत हो
నాటు
गया.
కోడిని నేను Yeah.
मत करो यार ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों कर रहे हो.
Sir, okay, tell me, tell me. Any dialogue, Telugu dialogue.
You praise yourself, I will repeat it.
I don't remember.
See?
Number one bullshit guy.
She's an anchor. Still she can't speak one sentence in Telugu. Why? Tell me. What an anchor, bro.
మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే పీక కోసేస్తా.
Hey, little.
మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే
मौके का दाने पीके सी.
పీకేస్తే
पीकेस्ते
పీక కోస్తా.
पीका कोस्ता.
యా, దెన్ మీ టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ యువర్ ద మూవీ పాడేరు 12 మైలురాయి.
हुआ नहीं क्या अभी तक आपका इंटरव्यू?
హాయ్ యూవర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు బీఆర్కే ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్. నేను మీ ఉమా. ఈరోజు పాడేరు 12 ఒక పైలురాయి అనే సినిమా హీరోయిన్తో మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. సో తిని ఎవరో కాదు, సూపర్ డాన్సర్, హీరోయిన్, వాట్ నాట్, అన్ని మల్టీ టాలెంటెడ్ కృతి వర్మ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్.
Hi.
లుకింగ్ వెరీ గార్జియస్.
Oh, thank you. Even you're looking very beautiful.
నో, ఇట్స్ లైక్
Are Why? Indian beauties are all good. So I love Indian beauties.
నో, ఐఎమ్ ఏ చబ్బీ గర్ల్.
So who said that chubbies are not good? Chubbies are very beautiful. Us boys.
Then tell me, how to get the opportunity for this movie?
For this one, actually, I was doing some show in Jaipur, JW Jaipur, and there this team approached me through some Instagram, and so via they approached my team, and that's how I got into this. So this is like my entry to the South, I would say, because this is the first thing I shot in South.
Okay.
Yeah.
You were doing Tamil and another language movies?
I was doing Hindi and Punjabi, but for South, because everybody is comfortable in their own zone, so I never came here before. But then when this team came and I worked here, I loved the environment, I love South people, I love the hospitality, the work culture and everything. So I started meeting more people, and even people referred me mouth publicity. So then now I'm all into this. Even my first movie, O Andala Rakshasi, it got released. before this
Yes.
in March.
So you are looking like a Srilila, Samantha. So, but why are you doing the item song?
No, I'm doing movies also. I'm the lead heroine of O Andala Rakshasi. Another Telugu project is going on. I'm the lead only. And even Srilila and Samantha also does item songs. Of course.
After some movies, if
I
you're
also
doing
did
the-
O Andala, na. See, we should not be following everything. Na, I'm a trendsetter.
Oh, trendsetter.
One movie, one song. Then again, one movie I'm doing. Then maybe next, I don't know what. I don't think that there is any issue in this because my character has a storyline also in this movie, and along with that, even item songs. Every famous actress have done that or they do that. So I don't think it's a big deal. It should not be a big deal. Even dancer, I think dancers are better actors, I would say, because we have to even dance and then again express our emotions along with it. So finding a combination who is beautiful, who is hot, who has good expressions and can dance as well. So I think it's a rare and a unique combination, and if directors are looking that in me, so I feel proud actually in that.
Actually, we are doing Hindi Big Boss also. So tell me any silly reason nomination.
Mine. I was the captain and I was saved from nominations, but just out of fun and everything, I pushed one of my Big Boss mates in the pool. So Big Boss nominated me. So yeah, that was so silly. I mean, I did not expect. I was so mentally free that okay, I'm out of this nominations once you're a captain. But I lost that power. So like, what the hell? I was the first captain, and within a week I was nominated. So
You're
it
not
was-
enjoying the captain position.
I think I enjoyed it more, way more than required. So that's why I was nominated.
Then tell me your favorite heroine South.
I like Samantha. I like Srilila. Yeah. So and you are comparing me with
But actually, you are looking like a Tamanna. I feel.
Tamanna Bhatia. Oh my God, I can do this. Aaj ki raat aaj hi. I love Tamanna Bhatia. Yeah.
So you are looking like a way of dressing, your face cut, and especially eyes. Actually, your eyes is
Yeah, I have Morni eyes. Thank you.
very expressive.
Huh? Chalo. Directors.
Then tell me the favorite South actor.
I like Prabhas sir. I like Mahesh Babu sir, Allu Arjun sir. I like many. I like all of them. I would love to work with all of them. I've just started. So of course, I would love to work with them.
Okay, your inspiration like a star.
My inspiration is actually Priyanka Chopra, I would say. I love her. I love her the way she has worked in Indian movies, and now she has made India proud on an international level. So I just love Priyanka Chopra. I'm a die-hard fan of her.
Okay.
I loved her in fashion. I loved her in Barfi. I loved her in Bajirao Mastani. I love her.
You were interested in another businesses like boutiques.
I would love to. Yeah. Actually, I have these plans, like, as you say, 5-year plan. So, yeah, it is in one of my 5-year plans that I would love to invest in some businesses which is related to hospitality.
Then tell me about Rajesh Garu.
He is amazing, and working with him has been an immense pleasure and experience. So, there are many things which I've learned from him. So, I loved working with him.
Is Rajesh Garu a very funny guy?
He is. Yeah, he has a good sense of humor.
Yes. Any funny incidents is there in shooting spot?
No, actually, we were unable to. We didn't had any common scenes. That is the problem. But I met him, so that time we shared some bond. But yeah,
So in this movie, so many villains is there.
yeah.
Are you heroine or villain? Please.
Yahi to masala hai. One should go and watch it. Yeah, 6th June in theaters. Please do watch it.
నో యాక్చువల్లీ చిన్న హింట్ కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేదండి వీళ్ళు అస్సలకి. ఇంత వన్ స్పాయిలర్ కూడా అస్సలు ఇవ్వట్లేదు. వెరీ హిందీ అంటే కొంచెం తెలుగు వాళ్ళు కదా ఇచ్చేస్తాం మనం అడిగితే అనుకున్నా, కానీ అసలు వెరీ స్ట్రిక్ట్గా ఉన్నారు వీళ్ళు, చాలా ప్లాన్డ్గా ఉన్నారు. ఇందాక ఒక హీరోయిన్తో నేను చేశాను, ఇప్పుడు కూడా చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ ఒక చిన్న హింట్ కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ఈవెన్
No. Surprise should be remain. Mystery.
ఎనీ స్పెషాలిటీస్ దేర్ ఇన్ మూవీ?
I think it is it's a thriller movie, and it's family based, and it's like you can go with all your family members, do watch it. And there is the most special thing about this movie, my dance.
Oh, obviously.
Of course, you can't miss it, man. It's amazing. I've seen the whole song and Chummeshwari song it has come. I swear.
Super, super. Actually, movie commercial movie, na horror movie or comedy, suspense.
It
Which
has all
genre?
the shades. A food is made by salt, pepper, mirchi, everything is required. This movie has everything. And tadka to hai hi. Lal mirch ka tadka, you see.
Super, super. But tell me about your character in this movie.
It's actually basically it's about okay, I can't say it. Come on, it's 2 days. You have to go and watch it. Yeah, don't
Yeah,
ask me.
just thoda
It's
sa
an
tell me.
amazing, interesting character. You love it.
Yeah, throughout character, item song hai na.
No,
Just
it's an item song, but with the storyline.
you're doing in throughout character in this movie.
No. I was doing some other project that time. I just could accommodate because this was my first entry, but I had my other project lined up. But this they require like limited number of days. So, but I am grateful because at least via this I entered South, and then I did O Vandala Rakshasi, the entire movie.
About that, Oh Andala Rakshasi.
Yeah, there I'm the lead. So that is that got released in 21st March, and now it's getting released in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bilingual.
Amazing content. Amazing content.
Okay.
But let's get back to this movie.
Yeah, fine. Actually, in this movie, the devotional vibes is there.
Uh-huh.
I think some drama. Devotional vibes.
There is
Any
drama.
scary situations? Asal
Not much.
bhaypadleda?
All good. Production people have made us very comfortable. Nothing to be scared of or nothing like that. That we are working in tribal areas or something. Nothing. They made us very comfortable. We had everything. So it went all well, smoothly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, please tell me your crush.
My crush.
Actually, recently I heard one boyfriend is there in cricket.
Arey yaar, I know. I don't know who has spread such rumors. I am so done.
Is it true?
No.
You tell me, yaar.
No,
I
no,
heard
no.
so many people is telling
Yeah.
me actually one boyfriend is there in cricket.
No, I don't have any boyfriend, and it's been years now. So I want to have one, but I don't know when.
Something is
I'm just
there.
kidding.
You are
huh?
hiding. You are hiding.
I'm not hiding. There is nothing to hide. I swear. It's just that I was invited by one of the cricketers to watch the match. That's it.
You are doing dancing also.
Dance. I love to
I
dance.
saw they were reels.
I love to dance.
Uh,
Of course, I was touched, okay, by God's grace. I was in the most exclusive cricket lounge, okay, where only cricketers' wives, girlfriends, they only, they are there. And you cannot even buy those passes. Those are not available on sale. And I was there. That's where the rumors started booming. Like, from where has she come? Because even for friends, there's a separate lounge. In our lounge, it's only the owner or the blood relations.
then tell me, you are facing any casting couch like you are doing in a Hindi series also, Big Boss and Telugu movies and Kannada movies. You are doing all languages movies. So you are facing any time in casting couch problems.
I think that I have been very lucky enough, or maybe I have that personality, that nobody has approached me only that way, which is good. So I have been very fortunate. I have always got to work on my mouth publicity basis. I started with roadies. It was just so random. I did not even intend to go into TV. Then after roadies, I was a super hit, and that season is like the super hit season of all time. Then Big Boss happened. I gave all interviews. It was not, that also was not just a easy piece of cake for me. But then the journey starts. If you're doing well, you put your hard work, you give your 1000%, then of course it leads to different paths.
Actually, film background coming from the some heroines also telling me I'm facing for the casting couch. Actually, big stars' daughters also facing the casting couch problems. But you are telling is no there.
I see. First of all, I've just started. Okay, I mean, this is like my second movie in South, so I've just started, and apart from that, I have no idea. I don't know why, but people don't ask me, and which is good. Because I've always got, I told you, this movie, they approached me after seeing me. I was doing a show in Jaipur, okay. And the second movie, it was via reference, some mouth publicity. Even one movie now, which I just like, 3 days back, I shot for something in Bangalore. And day before yesterday, I got finalized for one Kannada movie because the DOP sir referred me that this girl is amazing. She looks good on screen. And even after 12-hour shift, now there were other few artists who were creating little scene on set. So, but I was the one who, I guess, who worked like for 16 hours straight because I had no issues. I love working on set. I love being on set. I was all thorough with my lines. So people do see all this thing. That's why that is the reason, DOP sir referred me and they also met me and they saw my profile. And mostly I'm just waiting for the agreement, but verbally it has been finalized. So I think one should just put their best foot forward and rest God will take care. That's what I feel.
Okay.
And I feel that I'm lucky and that's why maybe good things happen to me. Maybe it's manifestation or I don't know.
Okay, which language you are comfortable, like a favorite, like a South and Telugu or Tamil?
See, Telugu, I actually did one movie, my movie is released. So I love Telugu. Okay, Kuncham Kuncham.
Achha.
Okay. Now Kannada also I did certain shoot. So that was also pretty comfortable because I am good in adapting with the languages. I was quite an intelligent girl in school. I was a scholar. Yeah, that's why I'm quite fluent in Hindi, English, and now I'm getting my hands on different languages. So it's easy for me. And plus, I put a lot of hard work just before going on the set because I don't like to, that I don't know. I'm not like that. Like director told me that he can do prompting, but I myself, I just write all the dialogues
Oh,
in English
you write in Telugu dialogues also?
No. Telugu script they give. Then I write it in like what is the pronunciation. According to the pronunciation, I write it in English. And the third line is about the meaning. So before going on the set, I'm well aware how I have to pronounce the dialogue and what is the meaning. So it doesn't affect my expressions also. And I can speak on the time, the
You are
timings.
doing all the homeworks?
I have to do. Of
Okay.
course, there is nobody to back up on me. I take every opportunity, like maybe this is the last opportunity, or maybe this is the first opportunity which will open my gates to 10 other opportunities, right? You have to put your best foot forward. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just doing my thing. I'm not doing anything extra. I don't think so. At least what I should do, that's what I'm doing. I'm just being fair to myself.
Super. Very inspiration. Yeah, they tell me your inspiration.
My inspiration is, see, apart from like family, like in family it's my father because he started with nothing. Of course, like after India Pakistan partition, the grandfather,
Oh.
we were
You
in
were from
India.
coming from Pakistan?
No. After partition, I think
Partition,
all families have just started, na, after that.
Yes.
That's how I guess our ancestors are, right? So even my father has taken care of my grandfather, and my father has taken so well care of me, that I have always never felt like, I think that I come from a very wealthy family.
A
Actors,
joint family?
no, nuclear. But my father has like 3 younger brothers and Dadaji also. But he has taken care of all the younger brothers, उनकी शादियाँ करवाना, दादाजी का ख्याल रखना, हमारे लिए घर बनाना. When in college, people used to, like my friends used to travel via metro and all. Every year in the college, I have driven a new car.
Oh.
I swear. I have led a very luxurious life. मुझे अब लगता है, when I stay in hotels, like कभी 5 stars, so we go to sauna, steam, and it's a luxury, and people post that in stories. I have seen that when I was a child. My father goes to a gym where sauna steam was there.
Okay.
Yeah. So actors might say कि हमने इतना struggle किया है, मेरे घर वालों के पास कुछ नहीं था. नहीं भाई, मेरे घर वालों ने वो चाहे limited ही था, but yeah, they have, मेरे को तो बहुत wealthy life मैंने तो जी है, genuine बात है. मतलब अगर हम गोवा जा रहे हैं, so he is giving us decent amount of money कि अच्छे से ऐश करके रहो. गाड़ी दे रहे हैं वो, चाहे उन्होंने खुद गाड़ी नहीं चलाई, वो कॉलेज नहीं गए
Yes.
because of his responsibilities, but he wanted कि मेरा बेटा जब कॉलेज जाए तो गाड़ी में जाए. So he has taken very good care.
Then tell me, you are going to the movies, then your father feeling in first day.
My father actually, when my first Telugu movie Ondala Rakshasi, it got released in theatre. So my mom and dad flew from Delhi to see this, and then he said कि आना वसूल हो गया, because he loved watching me on silver screen. So that was the moment. मैंने कहा इसी दिन के लिए, this इस एक line के लिए it inspires me to work harder and make him proud.
In shooting, any hard situations like an extra takes, any hard situations in for the Paderu movie?
Of course it comes. It comes with every actor, every senior actor. You have to do retakes, or maybe, and the challenge is that this language is not our native language.
Yes.
We are learning it. But it is not hard. It is a part of our job, and I think everybody should do it. If it is 2 takes, because sometimes, so many times it happened actually, single take it was, for me, like touchwood, I'm not boasting out myself, at least in Hindi, I'm a 1 take artist, I swear, maximum 2. Every time it has happened. But even sometimes if I have to give 5 or 6, it is okay. It is a part of our job and we have to do it. So even in here, if the director is asking for retakes and all, that is all okay, no? We are here to do this job. Now, if it is not perfect, then what is the use of becoming an actor?
Actually, in Insta, actually 2.8 million some follows is there.
Yeah.
So tell me any silly messages, any
So many.
proposals.
Yeah. So many. That's insane. I love my fans, but it is insane, I swear. I mean,
Just tell me the one silly messages for your fans.
some silly message. Okay, I'll tell you incident only. I was shooting in Bangalore, and I got over with the shoot, and then I posted a story that I am here, like after the production, went for some dinner. So I posted, and I shared the location also. So one of the fans, I mean, he's a fan plus I mean, I don't know, but he is in, he had my number for some event also.
Okay.
But after meeting him, I got to know that he's a fan. He was just, he just wanted to, have my number. So he called me up randomly and he's like, Kriti, you are here? So I was like, yeah, I'm here. I thought that he must have seen me. So of course. So he's like, can you just come out like for 5 minutes? And I'm like, why? So मैंने कहा, I'll send bodyguards, you come inside. No, 1 o'clock it gets over. He knew an exact time.
Oh.
Okay. So he came at that time and he's like, 1 o'clock it will get over. Anyway, so you will have to come out. So please, I'm waiting. Just come for 2 minutes. And then when I went out, so he had brought such a big bouquet with the cake and everything. And I'm like, what are you doing? Like, you don't need to do all this thing. What will I do with your big bouquet? Right? But that is strange. That is sweet plus strange. Plus I realized that I will not post my location at that time. I mean, it's crazy. Right?
It's a very crazy fan.
Yeah, I mean, desperate. I should not say I love my fans, but it's okay. It was sweet. Yeah.
Then your crush. Please tell me your crush.
My crush. I don't have any as such crush. तो अभी फिलहाल मेरा कोई crush है नहीं. I swear. I want to have a crush on my future boyfriend. Yeah,
Hey,
of
the
course.
diplomat answer है.
अरे यार, I like Prabhas sir a lot.
आपका बॉयफ्रेंड है था?
हाँ?
चुप रहा है.
अरे नहीं है, सच्ची.
क्रिकेटर है सच.
आप मेरा मोबाइल रख लो यहाँ पे. मैं सच I have pictures with actually a few cricketers because we were staying in the same hotel, BCCI and all. But that's why I didn't post even one. Just because कि मैं एक post करूँगी ना, तो people will take his name. And I don't want to be another name like Urvashi and Rishabh Pant controversy, ki Kriti and so and so.
Yes.
I am not that kind of girl who would like to get that publicity. So I would like to get publicity on the basis of my work. Right?
Right. Yeah. Which genre is your like?
I love rom-com, but I love thriller also. Action is okay for me.
Okay.
I love watching action, but I've never been a part of any action movie. So I don't have any experience in that.
Your hidden talent.
My hidden talent. I think all my talents are public. That I think I'm very funny, and you're saying okay.
It's open. It's
open, right?
Yes.
I'm
asking for the hidden talent, na?
Hidden talent. Okay, hidden talent is that actually I can cook very well.
Oh.
No, not many people. Even I think my friends also, they are not well aware because I've never cooked in front of them.
Okay.
But when I cook, I can actually make everybody who is here now. I can cook for all those people.
Okay.
20 people, 25 people. I come from Punjabi family and my mom cooks well. So I don't cook generally, but when I cook, it's super delicious.
Oh, your favorite food items.
I love rajma chawal.
Mm.
I love pav bhaji.
Pav
I
bhaji.
love paneer. So.
Sweets. Is it Punjabi
I
say
love desserts. I love desserts. I love gulab jamun. I love ras malai.
But you are very fit, yeah.
I love them, but I don't eat them much. There is a difference,
It's a
no?
tweet.
Of course. I mean, you have to restrict, or otherwise you have to work out a lot.
How to maintain like doing the workouts?
It's
Please
very
tell me
difficult,
about your
actually.
diet. Please tell me about your diet.
My diet, oh my god, it's pathetic these days. I swear, because I am just
Only
staying.
daily in
I'm
one meal
staying
only?
in hotel. No, nothing like that. Nothing. Trust me. Before your interview, only I had my food. It's no one meal. Nothing. Even today, if you ask, I slept around 2. At 5, I woke up because I had my early morning flight for this. That time I ate with chai. I need something. I ate. Then I went to the flight at 10 a.m. Again, I ate something. Then when I came back, then I didn't get time to have lunch. Then I ate here like 4. तो मतलब समझ लो like 2 घंटे बाद भी मैं खा लेती हूँ. फिर कई बार ऐसा schedule होता है 6 घंटा भी हो गया और कुछ नहीं खाया.
Just a bite, I think. A
No,
little
not-
portion.
no.
Like a little portion and like the bite.
It's just
only.
that I just try to eat like whenever I'm even not whenever, mainly only I'm eating outside only. Okay, we are staying in hotels or productions with production, so we are eating outside. I think hardly 4-5 days I would eat homemade food. Otherwise, I don't get homemade food. So I just prefer eating little healthier options. If you want to know.
Okay. Your favorite place?
Abroad, I love Sky Club in Dubai. I love that. And अभी मैं recently Pattaya गई थी. So there also, I don't remember the name, but it was good. And within India, I love Claridge's. I love the food. I love, in hotels, I love Taj because their bed is amazing. So when I want to sleep, their bottles are good. So I stay in so many hotels because of our work schedules. And when events are there, when shooting is there. That I think I am well aware of कि कहाँ पे क्या अच्छा है. Like I love breakfast buffet of Shangri-La's. I love it.
Okay,
So,
super. Please sing a song for us.
I can
Why
sing.
are you
I will
laughing?
sing my own song.
Yeah.
है ना?
Please.
Okay. अरे यार. Okay. It's like नाटी कोड़ी नी नीनो तंचिक तिंतार नन्नो. So yeah.
Hindi or कुछ भी English, Hindi.
इस टाइम पे तो कोई गाना ही याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे. इतने गाने सुनती हूँ मैं. यार मुझे तो कोई गाना याद नहीं आ रहा. एक सेकंड मुझे सोचने दो यार. I can sing हनुमान चालीसा.
हनुमान चालीसा.
No.
इसी टाइम पर है हनुमान चालीसा.
हाँ चलो. Okay. थोड़ा सा चलने दो. I will just listen to the lyrics. I am not a singer यार.
ए नो इशू.
मुझे हंसी आ रही है. I never sang a song. Okay. वो गालू A B C D E F G H I J K L
Literally I'm shocking yaar. ABCD. Actually I'm thinking this is a song or
है ना हम साथ साथे में. I can sing that song ना. A B C D. मैं इसलिए अपने गाने की लाइन गाती हूँ. बात खत्म.
इसी मूवी में गाना गाते हैं.
इस मूवी का ही तो गाना है वो.
आपका सॉन्ग
नाटी कोड़ी नी नेनु नंचिक तिंतारा नन्नु. So
कम ऑन.
इतना ही आता है मुझे.
पूरा सॉन्ग में 2 लाइन आता है.
ए मैं सिंगर थोड़ी हूँ रे. एक्टर हूँ मैं.
सिंगर
क्या?
नहीं है बट आपके सॉन्ग है ना. अब डांस किया था ना इसी सॉन्ग में. आप डांस किया था.
हाँ
2 लाइन आया था.
बस ये इंटरव्यू का
नाटी
टाइम
को-
समाप्त हो गया है. इसकी घोषणा यहीं कर दी जाती है. बहुत हो गया.
कोडी नेनु
नंचिक तिंतारा नन्नु. बस यार अब इतना ही याद है यार मुझे. मत करो यार ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों कर रहे हो. कट कर देना यार ये.
नहीं टेल मी अबाउट द वन डायलॉग. बस एनी डायलॉग तेलुगु डायलॉग इन दिस मूवी.
या आपने मेरे से लास्ट इंटरव्यू में भी यही करा था. मुझे याद है. I will not be giving interviews to her anymore.
नहीं दिस वन डायलॉग.
కొంచెం కొంచెం.
కొంచెం
I love you, baby.
Mm.
I have this dialogue in my movie. I'm not lying.
I want the Telugu dialogue. Telugu
Now
dialogue.
अब ये time समाप्त हो गया interview का.
ठीक है, then tell me about your at least you tell me one Telugu dialogue. I'm asking you.
You say, I will repeat.
I don't know the dialogue.
You say whatever, I will repeat. Don't worry. Whatever you say. You praise yourself, I will repeat. Easy.
I don't remember.
See, that's good, no? Now, अब आई ना ऊट पहाड़ के नीचे. She herself doesn't remember any dialogue.
Yes.
She's an anchor. Still, she can't speak one sentence in Telugu. Why? Tell me. Why?
Hey, నన్నే blame
Torturing
చేస్తున్నారు.
me with different songs. What an anchor, bro. Come on.
Yes, wait.
देखो खुद को नहीं याद आ रहा. And
Sorry, okay.
she has tortured me with 1 song, 2 song, 3 song, back to 1 song.
మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే పీక కోసేస్తా.
Hey, little. I can speak
Okay.
French. Can you speak
Okay.
French?
No.
Como tu te pel, Jamapel Kriti Verma, Tueshia. I can speak French. Speak it. Are they, yaar?
I don't know French.
तो
So,
फिर
మొక్కే
I
కదా.
don't know Telugu. I'm learning, bro.
Yeah, actually, I'm listening.
अच्छा बोलो.
మొక్కే కదా అని పీకేస్తే
मौके का दाने पीकेसी.
పీకేస్తే
पीकेस्ते.
పీక కోస్తా.
Pika Costa. Pika Costa.
इसे मेगास्टार डायलॉग है.
Oh wow. काहे बेइज्जती मार रहे हो तुम मेरे इंटरव्यू में? कल को तेलुगु वाले लेंगे कैसे? मुझे ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं. कट करो भाई, हो गया मेरा इंटरव्यू उनके साथ. I have come here for my promotion, not for demotion, bro.
No. It's a funny things, yeah. Yeah, then me tell me about your the movie Paderu 12వ మైలు రాయి.
Movie is amazing. You must watch it. Come with your family, and it's getting released on 6th June. And I'm doing amazing dance in it. Please do watch it. I'm wearing sexy red dress, super मस्त एकदम. ऐसे बोलना नहीं चाहिए ना. Sorry.
yes,
थोड़ी shy बन जाती हूँ.
हाँ. नहीं है.
No, it's a good, it's a thriller movie, and हमने विलेज वगैरह हर जगह शूट करा है, बहुत थोड़ी बहुत कठिनाइयों के साथ. So please, it's a
Yes,
good movie.
thank you for this interview.
So exhausted. I am so exhausted.
You're enjoying or not?
No, I love you. I have always loved I've always loved getting roasted by you. Generally, I roast anchors. in our case, she roasts me.
yes. So I got that opportunity.
कल को मैं
Fine.
सुपरस्टार बन गई तो अब ये डायलॉग फेमस कर देना.
Yes.
कृति said, I roast.
సో ఇది అండి ఈరోజు ఫన్నీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. నేనైతే ఫుల్గా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను. మిక్స్డ్ ఎమోషన్స్, ఫ్యామిలీ అందరూ కలిసి వెళ్ళి హర్రర్ అండ్ థ్రిల్లర్. మీరు చూస్తే మన సత్యం రాజేష్ గారు బిఫోర్ పొలిమేర 2 డివోషనల్ మీద మనకి ఎంత సక్సెస్ అయిందో, సో ఈ స్టోరీ కూడా ఒక రియల్ స్టోరీ మీద తీశారు. సో డోంట్ మిస్ 12వ మైలు రాయి.